can never stop us. Bangasi for them, I get her for us, kill them key.
Good luck,
game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage being a chami tambo. Itiba zwenda dera, chingo dera, zwami shasho.
Welcome back. It's still the Van Rap Radio. Ngazina ndi dukan suhana ndi ngwana ndi wamahunguni. Ndichikhola zora nepo ni baba honi. Still having some greatest time. Ndimgibera horali. Ndizipati ngapa ndi minyanya ngapa. Ndimudipo ngapa zote sokotanganana. Auna na zwingwe ndichumbera pedzora nepo ni baba honi. Please stay safe and always take care. Ngazina ndi dukan suhana ndi ngwana ndi wamahunguni. If you haven't subscribed, please you just go that way. Ba click nepo, ba subscribe, ba hit na button and ba press it. Or when we upload more videos, you get notification. But yeah, man, as mapungo wasi hayo mapungo ndi yani ala ne madiba onezo zayo already. It's music time. It's all about the new track. It's all about the hit tracks. Yeah, man, muzika wabudi une waona rikowana unavora bone urwanga ndlela ndo petselo zori rozifa zori ya wudzingindera. So the track I'm talking about kwamba runa muzika muswa pandari kwamba zana muzika muswa rikoza na track ene yabori is a brand new track feel la love ndi track ene yabori bangatisa zi vocals down uzifa zori zobonga gomba komba ndi amba sedzi vane vamdivo vange murawa chimizori ndi sedzi kana vari sedzi NFR ndi muthu ane udwabudza ngoti she's been on this industry for some times and then she have given us some nice dope music like yo. I remember her like a couple of years back. She was based in Pretoria at the time. Yapi, Zero. There were a lot of guys, man. We talk about Romeo. Good. There was the time of Guru era. Yeah, those were the days. She's one of the nicest girl that have nice vocal, man. She kills it all the time. Just know Ori. Ish. She's gonna give you some dope music. She's gonna kill the bait. Yeah, so the track if you love and track in here is Tholi B featuring Ando. As now udibesa Ando. Chaba Sedzi, ana Sedzi NFR as of Rezulani she have grown. And then yeah man, she's building a beautiful brand for her name. She's doing great things. And I respect that, man. And she have one of the biggest producer or one guy that really does it like nobody does it. Kamba Big Robza. Munani arodzuranga mraka zitandana na mean who tells you manda. So respect to Big Rob Zanepala to make sure that Ando always give us great music. So on this track in the track in Yabozori, she did work the track in Oshumana Tholi B and then Big Robza also co-produced and then Ando co-wrote the song with Tholi B. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what's going on. It seems like some of my stuff here, they're freezing, but as long as guys, you can still hear me. I think I need to switch to another camera. So, what drop out this track, it's out, and then, yo, man, it's a big wave. It's killing it. It's out there. It's dominating the radio stations, and then it's just been out for a few days, no, man. It's not been long. It's not been long at all. But it's doing great. It's doing great. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to play you this track. But one thing I want to tell you before I play the track about Tholi B. Tholi B is that guy, that Mr. Clean, man. He's the guy that perfect his art. He's the guy that he makes sure unipa the quality. But he was a station manager at Capricorn FM. He worked for YFM 94.7. He worked there also. And then he loved working with new talent. To show people direction in the right way. If you work with him, you know for a factory, you're going to get the best out of him. Let's just know. He does everything at the best level. Yo. But yeah, man, that's the truth. Tholi B is one of the people when I respect the most when it comes to this industry. They've done great, man. They've done great things in the industry, man. They've done so many things. And then until today, I'm still saying big up. Yeah, man, we haven't really met with Tholi B. Yeah, I don't think we've met. Even if we've met, maybe there's a chaisana. Yeah, not really like, yeah. But enough about that. Let me give you the track, Tholi B featuring Ando, La Love. So you can enjoy the same track like me. Man, I love this song, man. I'm loving this track. Yo, man, still the Van Rap Radio. And here's the track, Tholi B featuring Ando. You know, mapiano. Let's just have fun. Oh, and then one thing, the track is available in all digital stores, guys. Go buy this track. Yeah, man. That's the track. Just wanted you guys to hear a bit of it, and then you can enjoy. Make sure that you go grab this track. It's available on all digital stores. It can be your Deezer, it can be your iTunes, it can be your Spotify. Make sure that you grab this track right now. Yo, I don't know what more I can say, but what I can tell you, they've already shot a brand new music video for the same track. The music video, I don't know when it's dropping, but I'm gonna play you a bit of that video right now. So just now, man. Not to waste such finger. I'm gonna play you this the clip from the music video. But the bonero richi kwambori uketwa zvitu zvabudi ukwamba suzipiyo I'm just so happy. I'm seeing great things happening from Limpopo, man. We like the artists, everyone is just putting up more and more work. Like our channel azotolo tokolindelo fi nyuko tyo nyitera, nyuko tyo mpatera, nyuko tyo nzuzanyera. No. People are actually working. Bako bear mishumo yabo panda rekubona mishumo ni yakwitiwa. So let me play you the video video teaser, video clip, and then you guys can decide, man. You can comment, you can like, you can share. Tholi B featuring Ando. What do you think about this track? What do you think of the music video? But because I'm just giving you a bit of a teaser for that video right now. Ngadzina ndikati duka ndiswana ndimwana ndi wamahunguni wanomfuna vafunezesa vari ndi Nema tiri rikojena midhini midhanani hote na zgodini richiko vanyurudza ari tizotamba pano vaimenyana nazvinokuitia mini Tholi utongari Yeah. Hey. Yo way. Aye, go. Yo way. Casual. Okay. Aye. Yeah, man, that's the clip from the music video that is gonna be dropping anytime from now on. Tholi B of Ichara, Tholi B of Ichara Ando on the brand new single La La Love. So I'm hoping on Bahone you're still enjoying it. You're making sure that you purchase the track. Let's push. Let's take it to the next level. Already hit about 25,000 downloads, 25,000 streams, going for millions. La La Love. I'm definitely sure this track can take over Africa and the world, man. It's just a simple, nice track in our way, man. I can jam to it every day. I know up to mapiano na mini. Everybody's like, Nema, you're always playing your hip hop. But one thing I'm gonna tell you, there's tracks that really takes me to that space, man. They give me, you know what I mean? So, and I've said it, go get the track. Make sure that you listen to the full song on the description. I'm going to leave you the link on the description so that you can listen to this track. And then you can also purchase it. You can stream it on YouTube. You can stream it on Spotify and other platform. Make sure. Never can thought there was the one kwama 0826937124 ndi WhatsApp. Vandiaka Twitter ni Nema kana var Vanrap Radio _Nema. Facebook Nema wa mahunguni. Auna na zingwe amara here. Arana zingwe track is not kongorizi. Check it out. You know what you need to do. You just suggest them. Comment with the links. And they will do definitely what you want. Ne amara here. Ndibafuna zone.